So I'm going to organize this video by each of the three stages: reading, research, and writing. And for each of those stages, I'm going to show you the setup that I'm using, along with one unique app for each of the stages and how I use it, and maybe give you an overall kind of verdict on whether or not this may be worth your time and money. So let's start with the reading stage. Earlier this year, I talked about how I take notes from physical books using those little colored flags to mark my spot, and by actually underlining and highlighting parts of physical books. This, and specifically an app called Readwise, which is on iPad, iPhone, and it's on browser extensions, it's basically on everything, has me now using Kindle once more, and there is a very good reason for that. You can actually highlight passages in Kindle books using the Apple Pencil or using your thumb if you don't want to buy an Apple Pencil, and in the past it's always gone to your Kindle highlights for that particular book. The Readwise actually syncs those highlights from Kindle to a Readwise app where you can look at your highlights every day, you can do daily review, you can even do spaced repetition style memorization exercises, but Readwise has an integration with Notion, which means that now all of my Kindle highlights go to a Notion database.